1942 Chevy Special Deluxe. We're out of Salinas, California. I'm the president of the Oldies Car Club in Monterey County, part of about 16 chapters worldwide. We went to Denver, placed Denver first to qualify for last year's Super Show. Took second, Best Bomb of Show last year. I wasn't happy with paint, so I took it over to my friend Armando from Crazy Cutting. Went to Arizona back in February for the Super Show and dropped it off over at his shop at Crazy Cutting. We took the car apart and we did a frame off. We went with just a super jumbo flake this time. Simple, elegant, and clean. Chopped the roof on it. It's got suicide hood on it. It's got some suicide doors, the trunk. Custom interior. All the engraving and everything was done by my friend Armando Gonzalez from Crazy Cutting. It's got all the accessories are pretty much engraved also. So talking about accessories, we got the wraparounds on here also. You see we got front and back wraparounds also engraved so it can flow. We got the gravel shields also. All the garnish moldings, everything inside are engraved also. The Jaguar rear end has got individual suspension, so they had to do 4 custom springs on it. With the Bomb's accessories is big also, so that counts as points when you get judged. So I think we pretty much got all the accessories that we need for this year of 42. So they're pretty much precise. We got the swamp cooler, the bullet on it also. We got the fog lamps out there. We got the custom Flying Lady with cobalt blue. Spotlights are also engraved. We got the moldings on the side of the seat also to match the outside Fleetline stripes. Everything, the tilt, the doors, and everything are run by a button. Got 350 on it. So it's a big, long process to get here, but all the contenders are beautiful cars. You know, we all have our own taste. So that's where we're going. We're going to see who's got the best bomb. That's what we call it, Bomb of the Year.